lived in Dubai for a couple of years, and probably one of the most common questions I get asked is, what is the weather like? People think that Dubai is so hot all year round, but in actual fact, for 7 months of the year, the temperature is very pleasant. Another question that I get asked a lot is, what is the heat like over summer and how do you manage it? So what I always say to people is that even though it does get quite hot during the summer in Dubai, the city has really adapted to it, just how Europe would be during winter. So everywhere is pretty much air conditioned, so you can still go about your day-to-day life as normal. Being on the coastline, there's a ton of water sports in Dubai. Most of these water sports carry on throughout summer, and it's a great way to experience being outdoors and the coastline of Dubai. One thing that I was surprised to learn is that the desert can actually be cooler than the city. This is because there's not a lot of moisture in the sand, so just before sunset the temperature cools down quite rapidly in the desert. It can be between 7 to 10 degrees cooler than the city. During the day in the city, the heat gets trapped in the cement buildings and the road, and there's obviously also a lot more people and traffic, so it is a lot hotter than the desert. One of the best ways to experience the desert as a tourist is to go on a desert safari. There's plenty of desert safari companies in Dubai, but make sure that you check out what you're getting before you pick one. So not only do you get to experience the desert, but you also get to learn a lot about the nature, conservation and the culture in Dubai. So if you are out and about in Dubai during summertime, I definitely recommend taking a water bottle with you to stay hydrated. Make sure to take sunglasses, of course, a hat is recommended, and sunscreen. So I hope this video has given you a little bit more information as to what Dubai is like during summer. If you are planning to visit during this time, I would still recommend coming. For more tips about traveling to Dubai, subscribe to our YouTube channel below or visit our blog, DubaiTravelAdvice.com.